News at 5 starts right now.
Look at the video. Don't close your eyes. Don't turn away. Look at the video.
Look at the video, says the attorneys for the families of Samuel Sterling and Riley Doggett. And the two died last year, separately hit by police cars as they ran from arrest. Now a pair of excessive force suits have been filed in federal court, alleging both Sterling and Doggett's constitutional rights were violated. Fox 17's Sam Lanstra reports.
These two cases are similar in many ways and different in others. While the now retired Michigan State Trooper behind the wheel in Sterling's case, Brian Keeley, has been charged with second-degree murder, the Kent County deputy in Doggett's case, Josiah McMains, was not charged. And Fox 17 has reported extensively on the reasoning behind both of these decisions. But as for today, attorneys for both families announced civil action seeking to spotlight, quote, systemic issues within law enforcement.
So these cases present an opportunity to say that, no, we don't allow police to get away with murder.
Speaking with the families of Samuel Sterling and Riley Doggett at his side, civil rights attorney Ben Crump said these cases stood as hallmarks.
Whether or not in America we're going to have a nation of laws.
Watch the steering wheel.
Meanwhile, attorney Ben Johnson played body and dash cam video from both incidents.
Look at the drastic turns.
In both cases, he claimed the defendants made drastic right turns, actions that led to the deaths of both the 25 and the 17-year-old.
Excessive force is illegal. Excessive force is illegal, criminally and civilly.
Filed in U.S. District Court, the civil suits separately claim Brian Keeley and Josiah McMains respectively used excessive force, violating both Sterling and Doggett's 4th and 14th Amendment rights. Both suits also allege gross negligence. But in Doggett's case, attorneys also name Kent County as a defendant, claiming it is liable and not entitled to governmental immunity.
Nobody can bring my son back, but for him to be charged would be a piece of justice for us.
The families, teary-eyed Friday and oftentimes unable to watch the videos being played, are seeking monetary damages.
You can't bring Samuel back, and I had to come to that agreement that I will never see him again.
Now, earlier this week, Samuel Sterling's name came up when charges were announced in a drive-by shooting from more than a year prior. While Sterling was not among those charged, Grand Rapids police say he was in the car when his brother shot and killed 32-year-old Daryl Yarber. Today, attorneys were asked about this incident and the bearing it could have on this case. They said it was, quote, absolutely not relevant, as law enforcement had no knowledge of it at the time of Sterling's death. For now in studio, Sam Lanstra, Fox 17 News.
The Kent County Sheriff's Office and Michigan State Police declined to comment on these civil cases, with the former mentioning that they had not yet been served. The attorney representing Brian Keeley in his criminal case also declined to comment.